Hey everyone, if you have been following this Laguna Beach renovation series, good morning and thank you for watching again. This is episode 2 and I want you to see what the full demo actually looks like. I'm standing here in Hillcrest Drive right now and it is hard not to get excited. My name, if we haven't met yet, is Danae Aballi-Mecham. I am a real estate agent and I'm documenting my mom's full renovation here in Laguna Beach from start to finish. If at any time you do want to reach out to me, please have my phone number. It's 949-216-8565, or I have a link in my description so you can always book a meeting with me too. Now, let's look around because this is what full demo looks like. Every wall is stripped, every surface is opened up, and what you're standing in right now is the raw, honest bones of the 1947 Laguna Beach charming home here. And the one thing we are keeping is this ceiling. So if you look up, that is literally the only thing left. Everything else is going, new everything. But that ceiling, it earned its place in the finished home, so we're excited to preserve it. Now here's what's happening next, and this is where it gets really interesting. The front yard block walls are coming out, and we are about to do some serious grading work. We're going to move a significant amount of dirt to level the slope because this home is getting a garage, and in order to build it properly on this sloping hillside lot, we have to dig into the slope, create a level pad, and then from the inside of the garage, you're actually going to have a staircase that will go directly up into the main home. A lot of homes in Laguna Beach, they actually weren't built with garages in the beginning, so this is a significant upgrade and it adds real value to the finished product. Also, if you did have a garage in 1947 like we did, they're really small, so this new one will be really nice. So next we're going to pour the concrete to kind of get all the foundations and footings starting, and that's going to be next. I do want to share a lesson in how these projects actually go. We did know the gas lines had to be capped before the grading could start, but what we didn't fully plan for was how long the gas company would come to take to come out and do that. So that pause right here is why I'm standing here and there's no demo team, because we're on pause until the gas line comes out. So we have a 2.5 week hold. And this is just an example of one of those renovation things. It just happens where you have to wait for some time and everyone runs on their own schedule. So Revive's job and my mom's job is to kind of line everything up so that everything will go really fast and smooth from here forward. But yeah, 2.5 years of planning and permitting just to get to this demo, and now things are finally moving fast. The grading is next, as I mentioned, and of course after that, the finished home is going to be something really special. I will show you the rendering so you can see what it's going to look like. And if you own a home here in Laguna Beach or really anywhere in Orange County, if you want to talk to me about selling or renovating for yourself, I would love to introduce you to my construction team or give you my honest feedback or advice. So thanks for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss me on the next update, and I'll see you in the next video.